So it's become very hard as a Black-owned business. My name is Funmilayo Chesney, Artistic Director of Fusha Dance Company and a teaching artist in New York City for over 20 years. So working that invisible labor that comes from us, going back to the creative side of it, first of all. We create the content. We create the lesson plan. Because of our lesson plan and the way we teach, this is why the school continues to hire this particular or each particular organization. And what they do, they take your lesson plan and they tag their name on it, and they say that's their writing, that's their curriculum. What they need to do is start caring about the people that are on the front line that are keeping them up and running. If you didn't work and you're sick, then you didn't get paid. There was no sick days. It was only a couple years ago when they changed that. If you didn't work, you didn't get paid. If you didn't have bereavement, if someone in your family, my father died, you had to travel, but you're in the middle of a contract. If you leave the contract, another artist gets the contract, then you lose the contract. And that shouldn't be. You should be able to get the bereavement days that you need to take care of your family stuff. So those are two things I can think about that's taking advantage. Go to New York City Arts Roundtable website and check it out. #rebuild, #reconcile, #reimagine.